When you use your gift or your ability, you impact on earth. There is nothing like private, the relationship with God. No. Even God doesn't want it. God does not want that kind of. He said, how can you relate with me when you don't relate with another human being that you see? You've never seen me. You talk about doing wonders in heaven with somebody you can't see when you are not doing anything with people that you see. So, you increase in influence, you increase in your celestial investment.
Thank you for watching. We hope you have been blessed. For full videos as well as more sermons and teachings from our ministry, visit our Facebook page at Out for Christ Ministries International. Remain blessed.